at a Vintage Jonsered 80. This is a vintage muscle saw from the 70s. Very powerful, very popular saw for that era. This one's got a very short bar. Somebody had made it a firewood cutting saw. Has the wrap handle bar. That exhaust is OEM original. They had some high performance mufflers back in the 70s. Could use a very good cleaning. The oiler works. Of course, it starts and runs good. Any of you Jonsered guys out there that collect these vintage saws, here's a nice one. That's a new chain, 404 chain on a 22-inch bar. If you got any questions on this, give the chainsaw guy a call.